Muntirang ba Kajala Konrad Kesama, Ula Pynthikna ba Director General of Police Kajala RT Chandranathan, Ula Pan Shuti Batong Bakala Bandai Nakadao Shimet Kajugu. Kani Kajing Pan Shuti DGP, Klawanru Apadeng Kajihi Persha Kabajo Rekpaiba, Kibadawa Ban Wengkam Shipori Berengti Hakaban Set Yap Yonoilam Badum Kajensi, Ulit Bacheris thank you. Hakju upor Muntirang ba Ulong Bak Sorkar Kala Bantel Kam Yakibenta Kibala Nonra Ekshongsuk Chongsan Hapo Kajala. Shushu Loitu Baka Judicial Inquiry Halo Kajingja Syasiadiap Ujung Sekretari Barim ke Chelsea Kalaya Cakmat Badu Chief Secretary Kajala Udan Kajingkaran Badu Nubishar Ubakli Yaka Judicial Inquiry.
The DGP has applied for leave. He had met me and he specifically told me that he's applied for leave. The entire application and the process, it takes, a system is followed in order to process it. So that process is going on, and as soon as the process is over, his leave as per his desire will be given to him. So as that happens, he'll be going, but we obviously had session also in between, so obviously those things also are there, but it is being processed and he will be granted his leave. People can question in many ways, so I have nothing to say about the questioning. If an individual desires to go for a leave, it could be for health grounds, it could be for personal grounds, then as a government employee he is entitled to it, and as a government it's our job to give it to him if he is entitled to it, and that's the way we are seeing it. So therefore he applied for the leave, the processing is going on, and as soon as the process is done he will be granted the leave.
There's nothing to do with the current situation.
Nothing to do with the current situation. As I said, it is a process that is going on, and he has applied for the leave at a personal level. And as I said, we have agreed. I have agreed to it, and the process of granting that is on right now. I can't remember the number of days in that, but I remember that he had asked for the leave at a personal level.